Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about OOOO token, legit or scam. Before buying this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is AI intelligent automations for cross-chain. So this is powered by OOOO. You can get started from here. You have 60 plus supported chains. You have almost 1 million transactions. And you have a lot of things here. If I scroll down, this is a makes AI unique and speed and efficiency, intelligence and automated token. So friends, this you can sign up from here. You can connect your wallet and you can start using this token here. The price is $0.023. Total supply 1 billion, max supply 1 billion of this token. This token listed on PancakeSwap, on Binance Alpha, Uniswap V3 and Bitmart. So friends, I see some engage here and active member. This is a good insight to check this one here. I see a lot of transaction here. As you can see here, huge volume, friends, with a lot of transfer. So friends, if I check this one, holders, this is about holders. As you can see here, top 10 is 97%. So huge holders. As I say, this is a Web3 project and designed to blockchain. This is some similar coins to check here. So anyway, friends, before I buy this token, I give this token 8 on 10, and this is not financial advice. This is the token chart, as you can see here. And thanks for watching this video.